Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 easy methods to create a Google spreadsheet so you can start organizing your data in just a few clicks. For the first method, open your browser and go to Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the plus new button on the top left side of the page. Click on it, then select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. A new blank spreadsheet will open in a new tab. You can start filling in your data right away. And the best part is your spreadsheet saves automatically to your Google Drive as you work. Go to the File menu, tap on Move, and select the folder you want to save it in. For the second method, look at the top right corner of your Google page and you'll see a square grid icon. That's the Google Apps menu. Click on it to open the menu and then select Sheets from the list of apps. This will take you directly to the Google Sheets homepage. From here, you'll see options like blank spreadsheet and various templates. Just tap on blank to start a new spreadsheet instantly. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.